Good morning, class. This is Missy Padilla, and this is the video for our math class today, Wednesday, March 18, 2020. Now, we have schedule for today. If you notice in your posts, the board, this is what you guys are going to be writing in your notebook. Only what is here, which is supposed to be the board, is under posts. Okay? So it says today is Wednesday, March 18, 2020. Topic, write expression. Textbook. We're going to be using the textbook pages 527 and 532. Now, if you don't have the textbook, don't worry. I'm going to take pictures and uploading it too. If you cannot print them out, don't worry, just write the answers in the notebook. Okay, vocabulary words. We have 2 vocabulary words that we're going to be discussing during today, which is operation and expression. If we go to page 527, it says that the 4 operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So those are the 4. Again, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All of that is called? I don't hear you. Operation. So the next one is expression. Expression is a number of or combination of numbers and operation. An expression does not have equal sign. What does this mean? Well, we could use pictures, images to do an expression. We could use numbers to make an expression. Or we could use words. And it actually gives us an example in that same page, 527. And let's read the example. It says, Alice invited 3 friends to play in her backyard. Write an expression to represent the total numbers of friends. Okay, so it's telling us we have Alice. Let me try to cover Alice, okay? And then it says that she invited 3 friends. So when we invite, is that dividing, multiplying, addition? I'm inviting. Addition. So we're going to put the plus sign. Okay? Now, how many friends did she invite? 3. So let's make 1, 2, 3. So using the picture, right? Alice and her 3 friends. So how much is all of this? Let's see. It's 4. Now, we have another expression, which is numbers. This is with images or pictures. Now, we could also do another expression, which is 1 plus 3. So we have picture expression, number expression. Now let's do the last one, which is word expression. And the word expression will be 1 plus 3. Let's see. Yeah. 1 plus 3. I'm going to have to get a new marker. But you get the idea, okay? Again, images using expression. This is another expression, which is numbers. And word expression. 1 plus 3. Now, I would like to add that images and numbers, you guys already know how to do them. But it's really important to us that you know how to write them. Do you know how to write 1? Do you know how to write 2, 3, 4, plus, minus? Practice that at home as well. Okay, so let's go to page 552, and it says, use numbers 1 plus, and what is the missing number? How many red circles do we have? Exactly, 3. Now use words. Using words. How many Alice do we have? 1. How do we write 1? O-N-E. So you're going to be writing in that space O-N-E. Now, it says plus 3 or blank, right? More than 1. So how do I write 3? It's not tree. We get confused. But it's 3, which is T-H-R-E-E. 3. That is what you're going to be writing in that part. Now, let's do example 3. I'm not showing the book because I'm giving you the answers. So if I give you the answer, that will be cheating. I just want you to actually look through the copies that I sent or in your own book if you have the book. It says, 5 nails were hammered in the wood. 1 nail bent. Write an expression to represent the numbers of good nails left. So 1 was bent. Remember with Alice, it was invited, which means addition. Well, this one says it bend. What expression could I use? Or what operation I might say? Subtraction. So it will be 5 nails, but I bend 1. So how many am I left with? 4. So use numbers. 5 minus blank. What am I going to write? 1. Use words. 5 minus 1 or 1 less than 5. Okay. Let's go to page 528. And I'm doing the 3 examples because, as you know, the guided and the independent work, you guys are going to be doing it by yourself. Any questions or any concerns, remember to always reply to the comment section of the post or email me. Okay, we have the last one. It says, explain 3. Tracy bought 3 magnets. Scott has 2 times as many. 2 times. Times. I think we're talking about multiplication. Then Scott buys 1 more. 1 more. More. That sounds like addition. Okay, write an expression to represent the total of numbers of magnets. And it gives us the book in page 528, the picture. Now, we had to use the numbers. And because we already took the equation test, we already know that we could mix in one expression 2 operations. So we have this, right, in our book. It says Tracy bought 3 magnets and then Scott 2 times as many. 2 times. So how many magnets were they? I don't hear you. 3. Okay. So there is 3 times 2, and then he bought 1 more. So let's see. As always, we have to do what is in parentheses first, which is 3 times 2 is how much? 6. Plus how much? We lower the 1. 7 in total. Okay, so 3 times 2, 6, plus lower and lower. Now make the expression or add it. 6 plus 1 is 7. Good. Okay, now the guided practice, you are going to do the pictures, the numbers, and the words. Okay, now it's interesting that I want you guys to do everything until page 532. Now, in page 530, you're not going to do the brain builders or in 532, but you are going to do the vocabulary check on that page 532. Okay? Any questions or concerns? Remember, comment on the post or email me in private.